cops. We was right off 3rd and Hope. Chillin' in the back of the track. Niggas got packs trying to get them rats. X5, I was sliding in the back with the runners trying to get in the cat in my lap. 17 had two dreams. Took it for a little girls, riding codeine. First class, I was 17. Left for high school, so I left free. No one told me life would be this way. I swear nobody told me. Yes, this is the game we chose to play. Crazy how it's always been the same. People dying every day. There ain't nothing new with you. Down, down, down. I'm just trying to make a way. I won't let these niggas take me down, down, down. So I riding on these sleepers, I be 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 riding on. Phone just rang, got a nigga got. He was over in the east, last thing that he heard 6 shots. He ain't getting no love from the cops, nobody got cut. Real talk, when I heard who it was, heart damn near stopped. Somebody done killed my brother. Now I gotta go back, letting off cause a nigga gotta feel that. Send the shotgun with the shotgun. When you hear the shots coming, nigga don't run. Already bad, you know I get worse. Handful of steel cause the shit still hurt. Cut it so deep when they put it in the house. Never saw 25, had to put him in the dirt. No one told me life would be this way. I swear nobody told me. Yes, this is the game we chose to play. Crazy how it's always been the same. People dying every day. There ain't nothing new with you. Down, down, down. I'm just trying to make a way. I won't let these niggas take me down, down, down. So I riding on these sleepers, I be riding, I be riding on these sleepers, I be riding, I be riding on these sleepers, I be riding.
Once upon a time, downtown in the 9, where they don't mind guns. Born to a life of crime, wasn't young and only stood 5